Where you will die.
Pwede natin bombayin kaso di tayo
Ayaw pala yung namata.
Okay, hold lang kayo dyan sa dungeon ha.
Kalma lang.
Hold makakit na natin.
Padurog pa ata nila yung ano eh. Yung inang sarap.
Bibigyan ko to ha.
Wait
Tanga,
lang,
tanga. Sabay. Never mind. Cheat mo.
Biyak agad.
Oh, bwetse. Teka yaw. Ready ka ba? Teka, yung nasa dungeon hold lang ha. Try lang namin to.
10 seconds.
Chuto, sabay ka sa akin. Wait lang ha.
5 seconds ako, 5 seconds.
Buffs now.
Ready?
3 seconds.
Pass engage. 5,
Sige.
4, 3, 2, 1. Wala. Okay, balik. May damage. Okay. Sige, backing sila. Ilan lang tayo dito, 6.
Sayang, mamamatay na yung isa.
May tinitira sila, binomba nila si Now.
Guys. Tara, cheers.
Tara, pinold mo na.
Tara, everyone
Labas
zone
kayo
out.
lahat. Labas kayo lahat.
Put up na yun nandito. Put up. Yung DPS na nasa Terry, tara bigyan natin to. Engaging dito sa South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik. Tagal. Balik.
Sorry.
Sige.
Akin yan, my part. Sorry.
Sige.
Uy,
Hit
CRP.
front. Sige, hilang front. Yan, goods.
Okay, backdoor nyo na sa gilid. Sa gilid. Run over nyo na sa gilid.
Terry pa sila.
Dito na kami galing sa gilid ah.
Okay,
Sige.
case. Come here.
Backing sila ha. Konti.
Ay, balik tayo, ante.
Running sila, Knight.
Okay, everyone walk. Catch them. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Okay. Spread. We walk with me. We walk with them. D-tongues, try to stop them. D-tongues. Guys, walk in. Don't be scared. Come walking. Come defensive. Guys, west now. Walk west. Guys, walk southwest deep. After this demonic, okay, west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Hindi makita si Knight. Asan si Knight? Hindi makita si
Okay.
Knight.
Position northwest. Okay, come northeast. Ito yung color nila. Patayin natin yung color nila. Come northeast. Andito yung color nila. Itong mga Gucci. Dito yung mga Gucci.
Tangin na may ganker sa likod.
Come follow me.
Ako gusto nila.
Defensive. Uy, kamamatay kayo. Defensive. Guys. May ease in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Come north. Hindi nyo kaya. Come north. Okay, position north. Hold. Ready defensive. You guys are clamping out. Come north. You guys are clamping. Come north, sige. Kahit north. Guys, ready to turn south. Oh, defensive. Okay, nice. Good. So, hard south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tama na bedrock. Yeah, nice. Bakabit. Spread, come back. Position north. Okay. Just ready defensive. Position nga tayo southwest. Position southwest. Guys. Okay, come back north, guys. We're getting sandwich. Come back north. We're getting sandwich. Guys. Ready defensive. They're looking again. Come north more.
Sa gilid, may dojo sa gilid ah.
Ready to turn. We hit south, hard south.
Dit-
Southwest,
dojo yan, ah.
5, 4,
Dojo.
3, 2, 1. This dojo.
Yan, patay na yun.
Defensive. Back.
Okay ako lagi pag bomba ko may dojo sa gilid.
Perma natin ha.
Ikaw,
Hold.
Knight, ikaw.
Hold.
close natin
Hold.
door.
Angat. Angat.
Knight, pausin mo na.
Angat. O sino? Muta ko, sorry. Angat.
Napatay mo yung nakapili mo ba doon?
Kaya itong arcane na to.
Puro
Wait lang, magbabak.
Okay,
Let's look
okay.
south.
Patay kami.
Look, wait. Kambak nga, kambak. Di ko alam kung pakay nito. Hindi sila nagkakasulubong. Dojo is one backing. Okay, come follow me. Let's catch them, detox, catch them. Catch them. Guys, hard west now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hard west. Come back, God. Come back northeast. Come back northeast. Okay, kite northeast. Good job. Come northeast. Say, come northeast. Ready defensive. Hit the front. Come northeast. Hit the front. Come northeast. Yeah, come back. They're looking. Yeah, defensive. Good. They fail. Okay, walk west. Walk southwest.
Dragon Blade. Ako
Wait, come
na
on,
kayo. Wala. Dragon Blade.
Okay, come Terry, guys. Position, please. They're looking.
Alay nila na.
Pass now. Pass this choke. Go past this choke. Guys, defensive pro. Guys, counter now on gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate.
Ilang bulan na.
Trigger ang comeback. Ayun na, may dumating na yung alay nila. Yan. Hold.
May message si Baragi
Sige lang. Hold. DPS. I need everyone to connect this.
Ano na tayo? UN.
Tumatawag sila sa tito nila ah.
Ikalin nila yan eh. Okay, back. Pakabit. Guys, ready to engage. On this hard west engaging dito in 5. Defensive. In 4. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, drop. Hinihintay. Okay, balik. Ilugin. Guys, position on the north. DPS, position on the north. Position north. Good bedrock. Ready? Hello? Ready? Yaw, ready ka?
Wait lang papunta si Baragi, tinatanong lang yung DA ng kalaban.
Sige lang, I need cooldowns. Parang kag-engage tayo. Ready? Engage nga dito.
Ready.
Hard west now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard west. I need heals. Heal.
Hill light. Patay. Puta.
Hindi ka na lang bumili.
Wala tayo naka-holy beam.
Holy
DPS ready?
Hindi ka makita, sorry.
Clear comms. DPS ready?
G.
Okay dito sa gate tayo Wala clear natin eh. Okay, ready engaging tayo sa gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rapinaw. Almost. Come back. Status ng ng gate.
Nakababomba pag open.
Status ng gate.
50%, 48.
Okay. Wait lang natin yung rigger.
Hotel mo sila.
35.
DPS, ready kayo?
2 seconds. Okay na, pwede na ako.
Okay, on the gate ulit tayo Ready? Engaging on the gate Sabay-sabay, everyone. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop ilaw. Kulang. Ay, everyone, pasok sa loob. Depth tank, hold them. Pasok sa loob. Angat. Ala tayong clamper. Umangat kayo. Pumasok kayo dito sa loob. Kaya nyo sila pumasok.
Naglalag si SR. Patay.
Pasok dito sa loob.
Cheese. Andito na yung Mercat kasabay ko.
Sige.
Nasa shore.
Tara. Ay, ready kayo Tara. Baba. Spread. Everyone spread. DPS ready On the gate tayo Okay? Ready? Engaging tayo sa gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop ilaw. Ang aga ng enig. Kamba.
Pre, tatlo enig ko, pre. Nakapanood ako.
Tropa yan.
MVP.
Pumatay talaga kayo yan. Tulungan lang kami yan.
DPS ready?
Huwag mobile. Okay, GG.
Okay, sa gate ulit Ready kayo sa gate. Okay, engaging 5.
Ito ulit ang JJ.
Okay,
Okay na.
everyone ready. On the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop ilaw. Wala. Ang Hanggat wala tayong clamper, mahirap to.
Zoning na sila, zoning na sila, zoning na sila.
Oy, spread, spread, spread. Lumayo kayo sa wall, lumayo kayo sa wall.
Zoning na sila, zoning na sila, zoning na sila. Zoning na yung
Use yung
Mirka.
W's inside, use yung W's inside, use yung W's inside.
Baka makapalay tayo.
Ito na sila.
May nasa loob na GA oh. May nasa loob na GA. Tingnan nyo to.
Use yung W's nga, yun nasa loob. Use yung W's nyo.
Okay, nasa zone na rin ako.
Ba't nasa loob yan?
Pagbuto, hahabulin natin ha. Use yung W's, use yung W's.
Kaya niyo i-hold?
Broken na wall, broken na wall.
Basta na yung
Control na kayo, guys.
Sige lang. Hold nyo lang, hold nyo lang, hold nyo lang, hold nyo lang.
Papasok na lang ako sa inyo.
Okay, tatapang ako. Oo, okay, nandito na ako. Everyone.
Diyan na yung Mirka.
Ayan, defense ready ha, ready.
Dito na ako. Guys, walk with me.
Hindi tayo makakabomba.
Walk with me now. Wait, walk with me.
Tatakbuhan na sila.
Okay guys, on the hard south now in 5, 4, 3, 2, wait, hold, cancel. Hindi.
Ngabulin pa natin yung Mirka.
Come back. Kasi yung running na ano.
May freaky pulse pa.
Mirka ta symbol pala to eh. Uy, wag. Aray ko.
Banner.
Tinapunan ni Wall pa yung Mirka ta symbol. Mirka ta symbol yun.
Wala
Running na.
Wala ko nang patay
Meron
gagi.
na over.
Long hits.
Wala nang fight gagi.
Inubos lang ng ganon yung kalaban.
Apat yata, di na ako nagtawag ah.
Wala ko nang dumating Mirkat, nagtakbuhan yung kalaban.
Iniwan yung banner nyo.
Walang ano,
Saan ba?
di makadelete.
Ayoko yun.
Ano, ewan ko bakit ang bagal yung DPS natin tapos walang nag-holy beam para sa caller.
Meron pre, patay.
Patay
And then
din ba yan?
DPS, masyado kayong spread out, sobrang layo ng iba. Hindi na makapalo up.
Ito lang, okay lang kay Box. Ngayon na lang sumali ng CT8.
Alin?
Hindi, yung kay Wak okay lang yun kasi bago pa. Given yan.
Ayun na. Goodbye. Pero hold.
Ayun nga yung kalaban nila yung eh. Tayo natin, baka matake ulit.
Dami
Ang
na-
alam mo sino ini-engage mo kanina?